It's a moment we're seeing more and more lately. Healthy COVID patients finally leaving the hospital, flanked by the heroes who helped save their life. But Edwina Kane was determined to make her departure unique.
I said, and when I walk out of here, I promise you, before I leave, I'm gonna dance. And I kept my promise.
And she sure did, with a signature twerk as she got into the car. This triumphant moment for Edwina came after 8 days in the hospital, 4 of which she was on a ventilator. Her doctors describe her recovery as miraculous.
First couple of days on a ventilator, she was like any other patient, very critical. We were watching hour by hour, seeing, but then towards the 3rd day, she just started to improve, and she improved dramatically. Day 4, day 5, she was ready to get out of the ventilator, and that was a miracle.
For Edwina, COVID-19 started with what she thought was a cold, then a persistent cough.
I was just feeling like a little icky. I didn't think too much about it. It was just like a little off.
Days later, after waking up from a nap, she was unable to breathe and was rushed to the hospital. Turns out, being a diabetic left her that much more vulnerable to the virus.
She was really critical when she came in. A mechanical ventilation with a tube down the throat was inevitable. There was no way that we could try anything else.
Placed on a ventilator immediately, Edwina's chances looked grim. A new study of U.S. COVID patients found that 88% who were placed on a ventilator later died. But miraculously, just 4 days after arriving at Richmond University Medical Center, Edwina surprised all her doctors and nurses.
We had to rush in, take the tube out, because otherwise she was going to take it out of herself.
Edwina's condition continued to improve rapidly, her New York strong spirit charming and encouraging the medical team by her side.
Her energy basically took the whole entire unit. The medical staff, the nurses, the medical assistant, they all got to be friends with her.
On April 10th, Edwina left the hospital, forever grateful to the heroes who refused to let her die.
And how do you say thank you to the men and women who are working around the clock, risking their lives to take care of people like yourself who are stricken?
You guys actually taught me faith. Like there's hope. And I don't even know how to thank you enough.
Her joyful departure just as inspiring for Dr. Francesco Rodatori and his team.
What was that like, wheeling her down the hall and watching her cheered on by everyone?
The thing is that the whole hospital needed a moment like that. We were being really critically hit by a lot of people dying and very sick, and we needed a motivation.
And while I was interviewing the doctor, we arranged for Edwina to join our video call to surprise her doctor.
How are you?
Doing?
Wow, you look wonderful.
Thank you. It's because of you.
You did go home.
I made it.
She says she had recently found her own apartment after moving out of a homeless shelter, working 2 jobs while also going back to school.
Dr. Rotatori, I don't know if you know this, but Edwina is studying to be a healthcare provider.
Yes, medical assistant.
Oh, wow. That I didn't know, but that's great. Great news.
She's going to join your ranks soon.
Yeah, come over.
Patient and doctor inspiring each other through crisis.
Just seeing you, that's the best thank you that I can get. Thank you very much.
I love you.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.